Good morning friends. In this video we are going to see about the fortnight predictions. So on account of Guruji birthday, he has sent us the predictions through mail. So we are just going to see those predictions. So these predictions are based on sun sign in your natal chart. You have to see where your natal sun is placed. This is different from the Western concept. So we will be sharing these fortnight predictions every 15 days. So today's prediction is for 15th June 2020 to 30th June 2020. Before going into the video, we request viewers who are viewing this video to subscribe and also press the bell button so that you will get notified whenever we post the videos. So now, Aries, for the persons whose natal sun is placed in Aries, for them there will be a change of place in job, and also you will get some information regarding job, and there will be some expenses related to child. In this month after 19th, there is a travel indicated, and money flow will be good, and there is a chance of marriage or engagement. Next, Taurus, persons for whom sun is placed in Taurus, they will take leave in their job and will go back to their home. Also there is a journey indicated. Persons who are planning for constructing home, for them money will be available. And also regarding to children, they have to be careful, and also some problem is indicated with the spouse, that is a life partner, and any judgment related to divorce will get the judgment for this month. And for the persons where sun is placed in Gemini, for them there will be a promotion or upliftment in their job, and also they will get new job. And also persons who are doing business after 20th of this month, there will be an uptrend, there will be a good upliftment for the next 6 months for them, and there will be some expenses related to children. Persons who are suffering from sickness will get cured, and money flow will be little bit difficult, but in the month end this problem will be solved. And for persons whose natal sun is placed in Cancer, whatever you are going to try new things will give success, and also you will shift, there is a chance of shifting to new house or getting into a newly constructed house. Money flow will be good, children's health will be good, money flow will be good, and also in your family, if there is any problem with your partners, those things will be solved, and you have to be very careful. And for the persons whose natal sun is in Leo, if you are constructing a new home, those works will be over, or you will be purchasing a new home or vehicle, and money flow will be good for the next 15 days, and talks related to marriage will end smoothly. And job, there will be changes, and who are also searching for job will get the job. Business persons will have a good business. And after 20th, some persons in your family may fall sick. For the persons where natal sun is placed in Virgo, there is a chance of loss of job, money flow will be good, children's health will be affected. Persons who are planning for construction of home or shifting the home, these things will be get done, and their health will be good, and talks related to marriage will end smoothly. For persons where natal sun is placed in Libra, talks related to marriage and marriage proposals will come, and they will end smoothly. For some of the people there will be a change of job, and money flow will also be good, Persons who are searching for a new job will get the good job and health will be good. And for persons where natal sun is in Scorpio, for them there is a chance to go outstation, and they will also get a new job. Money flow will be good. For some person there is a change of place indicated, or they will change from their own house to the other house. Health will be good, and some unexpected money flow or profit will be indicated. Profit is indicated in the next 15 days. And for persons where natal sun is in Sagittarius, those who are planning to build or buy home, the time is good for them, and their health will be good. Job prospects are good. Foreign travel is indicated for some persons, and health is good, and everything related to children will go smoothly. And for persons where natal sun is placed in Capricorn, they will change their vehicle or they will purchase new vehicle. Health will be good, even though money flow is not good, but sufficient money will be there to meet out the necessary expenses. And those who are searching for a job will get some new and good news next week. And those who are already working, the work will be normal, there won't be any problem. And for persons where the natal sun is in Aquarius, they will purchase vehicle or home, and job will be good, health will be good, the money flow is very strong, and all your efforts will end in success. Those who are not married, if they try, and there is chances of getting marriage. So the coming days are very good for Aquarius. And for persons where sun is placed in Pisces, the natal sun, for them money flow is very good. Whatever steps you are taking related to your profession or business, everything will end in success, and there is a good improvement in the job or business. And there will be some issues related to health, but not very serious. And also you will be getting some unexpected income in the next 15 days. So that's it. Persons who are having any doubts in this can post in the comment section, and also you can send this in WhatsApp. In the comment section we are clarifying the doubts in 2 to 4 days. In WhatsApp we will be replying in 1 week. If this week is missed, we will reply in the next weekend. That's it for the day. Thank you. Take care. Bye.